Hello, Namaste. How are you feeling? I've been speaking to a lot of friends, family, and colleagues over the last several days, and in light of everything that's going on in the world, there's certainly a lot of emotional turbulence. I don't know about you, but I've been feeling that nervousness and anxiety, especially the last couple of days. We're being challenged to make a lot of different choices and decisions and to realign our agendas and our pathways. I've had a lot of cancellations in conferences and classes and my travel plans as well, as I'm sure a lot of people have. And I'm here to make a special offer. I feel called, and those of you who know me know that I like to get involved in special causes and to support our community. So during these times right now, I'd like to support our community in such a way to assist us in our wellness practices. Now more than ever, we need to make sure that we maintain our stress baseline at a lower level and get our immune systems boosted and practice being well. Starting this Sunday at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I'll offer a free live online workshop, How to Stress Less and Reclaim Your Vitality. This will be just the first of many online classes that I'll be offering in the coming weeks to support our community through wellness practices like yoga and deep breathing, meditation, and functional fitness. All sessions that we can do from the comfort of our own home. And many of us right now are working from home and remotely. I'm Laura Warf, founder of the School of Happiness, for those of you that I haven't had the opportunity yet to get to know. And through the School of Happiness, we guide people to be creators of their well-being, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. We do this through our pre-recorded classes in the members platform at the School of Happiness, as well as through retreats and now our live online events. These are the events that I am inviting you to join now. And if this speaks to you in any way, I invite you to join in on the session this Sunday at 11 o'clock or the upcoming classes that I'll be offering in the coming weeks. During these times, it's really important to feel supported and know that you are not alone. Let's come together in community and get through these challenging times together so that we can get through this in the coming months and feel stronger and more united. By clicking on the link you'll find here, we will be connected. And I'll send you by email the information and details on how to join our online live meetings. These classes in the upcoming weeks will include yoga, meditation, stress-less techniques, and functional fitness style sessions and classes. I really look forward to meeting you online. I hope you can join us either this Sunday or in the coming weeks that will follow. I wish you well. Take care of yourself. Namaste. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.